Welcome to the instructions video for the Takt Time Production Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you determine the maximum time allowed to produce each unit in order to meet your customer demand. It's essential for balancing production lines and optimizing your manufacturing workflow. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter two key values. First, input your available production time, which is the total working time available for production, excluding breaks and downtime. For example, enter 480 minutes for a standard 8-hour shift. Next, enter your customer demand, which is the number of units required during that production period. Let's say you need to produce 240 units. Once you've entered these values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display your takt time, showing you exactly how many minutes or seconds you have to complete each unit to meet demand. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.